To get started, I have opened a video project that really causes my computer to lag a lot. The first thing you can try to fix the lag is to go up to Edit Preferences, Memory. Make sure Optimize Rendering 4 is set to Performance, and you also want to make sure RAM reserved for other application is set to the lowest amount possible. For me, it's 3 gigs, then just hit OK. The next thing you can try is to use this drop-down box to lower the resolution of the playback preview. I'm going to set mine to 1/4, but you can experiment with what works for you. One last thing you can do if you're still having issues is to render a portion of your video. Move the time. Head to the start of the portion of the video that's lagging. Click the Mark In button, then move the time edge to the end of the portion of the video that's lagging. Click the Mark Out button. Now we'll go up to Sequence. Render in and out. Okay. And now when I play this back, there won't be any lag. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.